Alright, this is a line drum tutorial, a basic tutorial. I want to give a shout out to, this is the channel 5 Elements LD, and then the title of the video is How to Play Cymbals 101 Line Dance 3-Star Drum. So that video, I learned a lot from that video, just watching and trying to follow. They were basically teaching you how to use the cymbals, but the drum player was doing really well, and I did what I can to replicate it. So that's what I'm going to show you, a part of that in this video, just kind of breaking it down. And I do highly recommend for you to check that channel out, and support that video and that channel, 5 Elements LD. I'll try to put it in the link as well to this video, okay? And then the video is How to Play Cymbals 101 Line Dance 3-Star Drum. There's two women in there doing very well with the line dance drum. Okay, so basically this is how it starts. You hit the sides. I just call them, I call them a clack, but you go like this. I like to do a double with the left. It just feels more natural with me. You also want to hold the sticks like this, just kind of like this, holding it around and hold it like right there, okay? So if I don't do a double, then it's just like that. I do a double with the left. That just comes more natural for me. So that's how it starts. And then it goes like this. So it's just 1 2 1 2. So start with the side. Okay. Once you get that down, so then now you hit it 4 times, but then it's just a different rhythm. So it goes like this. So you have to like find the right pause to have the right sound, and just listen to your ear, or listen with your ears to see that it sounds correct. So you just do it over and over. Hit to the side again. Alright, this is the next part after that. So dun 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 dun. So you gotta add that part in after those first two. So okay, so it's this. That's the new part. Okay, so you gotta add all that in, get used to that, do it over and over. Alright, this is the next part after that. Okay, so I believe it's 6 hits, it's just like this. Part that you're adding. Okay, so from the beginning. Okay, again. Alright, so you gotta do that over and over and over again till it sounds right. Part after that. got to do that 3 times. That new part to add in goes like this. So you do that 3 times. Alright, add that into the whole thing. Alright, so let's continue. So back to the beginning. And then okay, so what it does, what it is that you have to do a second set of the second part of the rhythm before you do that one extra beat. So it's like this. Okay, so that's what we're leaving off. You have to do it from the beginning all over again. Keep practicing that all over and over till you get it. Let's do it again. Okay, let's do it one more time. This is the new part that we're adding. Okay, that's the new part that we're adding. It's like this. Again. Again. Okay, so that's the new one that we're adding. Let's go back to the beginning, do it all over again. Okay, let's do it again. Part that we're adding. And then that's the end of that set. So what they do is they do that whole set and they do it 3 times. So what you have to do is just basically master that one set and you just put that on repeat. Do it over and over. They do it 3 times. You could do it as many times as you like. You go from the beginning again. So that one part, once again, I like to do a double with the left, but it's the new part. So I like to do a double with the left. Don't get too fixated on their hands and where they're which hand they're hitting with, because everybody's gonna do it a little bit differently. What matters is the sound. So listen to their video, listen to this one, just listen to the sound and try to replicate the sound. I like to do that double with the left. It just feels natural to me, but you don't have to do that double. You could just keep doing the singles and get the same result. So same thing at the beginning. It's like, so if you don't do the double, then it's, so here I could do a double with the left, or it could just be a single like that. That's the double with the left without the double. Okay, so you kind of figure out what works best for you. Once again, we go back to the beginning, and we learn the whole set from the beginning, and you do it 3 times, and your goal is to be able to do it 3 times without making one mistake. And then you just keep practicing that over and over. And then that's 1 time. Let's do it again. One more time. All right, so that's a beginner's version. I'm trying to break it down. In the video that you'll see them playing, she's just going like super fast, and it's really hard to learn it. You gotta like slow it down, and analyze it. Use your ears to try to listen to see what's going on. But this is a beginner's version of learning that drumming style, and analyze that video, analyze this. I'm trying to do the best that I can to replicate it. It's not perfect, but it's a good start point. So what you do is just keep practicing and practicing, just getting it down, doing it over and over and over until it sounds just like that, or at least similar to that. Okay. So once again, let me just do it again at the, just go through it again. The goal once again is to do it 3 times without making one mistake. And once you make a mistake, just start over, do it again. Start over, do it again. Just realize that there's different ways of drumming, different techniques. I like to use a double with the left a lot, but that might not feel natural to you, so you just want to keep it a single. And instead of doing this, you just go like this. I like to do this. I end with the right. But if you don't do the double, then it ends with the left. Alright, so you see which one works better for you, and then you just do it that way. It just sounds, it's the same sound, but you're just doing it differently. So I think that's an important thing that I realized, is that you don't have to do it exactly the way that they do it, but what you need to do is make it sound exactly the same. So as long as you make it sound exactly the same, the way that you hit the drum, you could kind of have your own approach on what's more natural for you. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning. Messed up there at the last set. I didn't play it over again, that one part, so I messed up. So that's an example of messing up and just trying to do it again, try to get that at perfection. And then that repetition, the continuous practice, doing over and over and over again is how you're going to get better at this. So let me go ahead and try it again. I messed up again. I'm gonna try to do it all over again. See if I can do it right. Finally got it. It's just showing you that this is not perfect. I'm not perfect. This is a begin. This is I'm a beginner at this. I've been trying to work on this for a while, and it's not easy because every little mistake you make, you could hear it, you could feel it, you could sense it. So it just requires a lot of practice over and over and over again. And once again, just analyze the videos, listen to it, try to replicate it, and just keep working hard. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and good luck to you. And once again, check out that channel and support that channel. They're doing great work. Thank you.